My goal was to learn what education in Sweden was really like.
I'm going to be interviewing some teachers who are part of the public schools.
Our friend Bengt, who helped organize the rebuild of St. Anne's Preparatory School in Uganda, was here to help. The first thing that I noticed was the close ties to nature, as the schools are named after the trees prevalent in the area.
I'm here with Asha Stallberg, and you're an English teacher here in Skellefteå.
So mainly we have students ranging from 20 up to, I don't know, my oldest student is 75, actually. They have just learned Swedish. They usually start English when they have reached a certain level of Swedish. So they mix the languages. I try to make them more Swedish in their learning, because Swedish people in general are quite good at English, not because we have great teachers, although we have, but because we hear so much English in our free time. Video games, computer games, music, films. Well, you know, being a teacher, it's seldom you sit like this, oh, I have some spare time. No, it's usually some tips from colleagues or from students. Mm-hmm. I mean, I also teach teenagers, and I ask them, what music do you listen to? Okay, anything in Spanish there, if I teach Spanish. Yeah. So I ask for help, because they spend so much more time with the computer or the mobile than I do. I'm really impressed with the students. I mean, nowadays many people talk about this grit. You know, Angela
Duckworth, I'm familiar.
And all the teachers, we study this. But I mean, they came here from countries, big problems. They came here and they learned Swedish, and now they're studying English. It's amazing, and they never ever give up. So
they came with that grit.
Yeah, they came with it. So I feel inspired every day.
That's awesome.
Hello. Welcome, Ulrika. Nice to meet you.
I loved how teachers had shared offices where they could plan and solve problems together.
Here I'm meeting up with a few additional teachers, and Charlotte, Ulrika, and Karen.
The students should be active.
Oh, okay. So instead of just listening to you, they need to be doing something.
Yes.
Okay. Doesn't matter what they're doing, but they need to be doing something.
They have to do what we tell them to do, but they have to.
Yeah.
Some of these people have huge problems in their lives, and they have left their countries and their families and everything, so it's rather emotional sometimes.
But you spend a lot of time learning about their background?
No, not necessarily, but they should feel good in the classroom, and they should feel safe. And appreciated, but they have to learn, of course. They can't just do nothing.
Yes.
But anyway, so it's an uplifting feeling.
For all new teachers,
work together with your colleagues. You learn a lot from it, and you get new ideas, and you help your students.
When entering the classroom, you could immediately see the connection to nature in the kids' artwork and crafts made of small branches, leaves, and pines that you could find nearby.
One of the things that I noticed is this giant tree structure in the middle of the school.
Their passion for nature is what Scandinavians call friluftsliv, which translates to open-air living. I decided to experience a little bit of friluftsliv that evening with a walk to see the fall colors and the beautiful sunsets of that region. You get so much energy from just being around nature.
Sunsets here in Skellefteå are pretty much to die for. Unbelievable.
Hey, thanks so much for watching. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe. And if you'd like to be notified when new videos come out, click the bell.